Hey guys, just Remy here. We're working on my VE Club Sport again today. We're replacing all the door trims. We're going to upgrade the exhaust and change the battery. So yeah, check it out. And if you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate the support. So we're going to replace the exhaust on the clubby today. So you got to undo this nut and bolt here. If your car's factory, that'll just be a bolt. There won't be a nut and bolt. So unbolt it there. When you slip it out of the mount, you can't really see up the top there, but that's what the mount looks like. Forward through here, and then take it out, and then you just slip the other one back up in there and bolt the bolts back up. It's pretty easy. And that's one side done.
Now your wire's back like
So much better.
Oh, crackly.
Stop fucking around.